हेलो फ्रेंड, स्टैंडर्ड 11 चैप्टर नंबर 3 आसना, जिसमें हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट था उसमें यूजफुल सजेशन फॉर योगाभ्यास और 2 आसन सिखाए थे, बद्ध पद्मासन और वज्रासन। आज हम लोग सेकंड पार्ट में सुप्त वज्रासन, सिंहासन और मत्स्यासन 3 आसन के बारे में सीखेंगे। तो सबसे पहले सुप्त वज्रासन। दिस आसन इज बीइंग डन इन सिटिंग पोजीशन इन कमिंग ऑफ वज्रासन पोजीशन. One has to lie down on back, so it is called supta vajrasan. Basic position: keep both the legs straight, keep knees touching the ground, keep heels of the feet and toes of the feet closer. Keep hands straight from elbow. Put them to both the side of leg. Keep palm on the ground. Fingers of the hands attack each other. The body from base should be erected and in loose position. Method: bend the left leg from the knees and put it under the buttocks. Bend the right leg from the knees and put it under the buttocks. Lie down on the back with the support of hand. Put both the hands under the head. Keep this position for some time for coming in basic position. Put both the hands on side. Sit up slowly with the help of hand. Straighten the right leg. Straighten the leg. Things to bear in mind: this asana can be done after taking meal. During pregnancy period, women should not perform this asana. During lie down on the back, go slowly with the help of elbows. After enough practice of Vajrasana, this asana can be performed. Benefits: a spinal cord bends behind, so hump is removed. Flexibility of spine cord is increased. Muscles of face and head are developed. There is relief in thyroid. It affects on pancreas. It gives the relief in diabetic troubles. Digestive system become active. Number of white cells increase, so immunity increase more. This asana is useful to the student who sleep more. Second, Sinhasana. This asana, the scene of the mouth is similar to the open mouth of a lion, so it is called Sinhasana. Method: sit with extended legs. Bend the right leg from knee. Put it under the left buttock. Put the left buttock on the sole, the foot of left buttock. As same, put the left leg under the right buttock. Cross the ankle with each other. Put the legs in such a way that some part of sole, the fingers, can be seen behind. Put the hands on the respective knees. Keep the fingers of hand open. Put them on the knees as claw of lion. Press a little both the hand. Bend the body in front. Bend the hand a little low. Open the mouth full. Bring the tongue out as possible as you can. Keep the sight on the tip of nose. Keep the abdomen in contraction. Make appearance of face dangerous, breath powerful, roaring from novel. Points to be kept in mind: in the beginning, do Sinhasana for some seconds. After increasing practice, reach up to 3 minutes. Sit with the forward bend in such a way that there will be no pressure on the ankle. Open mouth fully, bring tongue out completely. Benefit: body becomes ready for Mulbandh, Uddiyaan Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. This asana is useful stammering. The saliva glands of mouth becomes healthy and active. इसके बाद है मत्स्यासना. This asana being done on sleeping back, the shape of body becomes like a fish, so this asana is called Matsyasana. Basic position: sleep on the back, keep both the hands near knees, keep both the legs near to each other and straight from knees, palm to length side. Method: hold the toe of right leg with the left hand and put it on the thigh of left leg. Hold the toes of left leg with right hand and put it on the thigh of right leg. Put both the hands and lay near the head with the support of hand. Lift waist, lift head. Put the middle upper part of the head of the ground. Knees remain with land touching. Hold the toes with the hand. Try to touch the elbow to the land. Complete position. Stay for some time in this position, then come in the basic position. Release both the toes. Put the hands near the body. Put the hands on land near the head. With the support of hand, put the head in correct systematic position. Put the waist on ground. Straighten right leg, straighten left leg. Things to bear in mind: this is the supplementary asana of Halasana, Sarvangasana. Those who have trouble of spine should take of the guidance of expert and then perform. Benefits: whole body becomes strong. There is improvement in breathing, supportive for the development of the chest and working of lungs. Stomach and intestine become clean. The spine of eyes, ear and head will be removed. Memory is increased. It is helpful in thyroid disease. तो थैंक यू. आज हम लोग 3 आसन के बारे में सीखे. टेक्स्ट बुक में पिक्चर भी दिया है, आप इनमें देख के प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. सुप्त वज्रासना, सिंहासना, मत्स्यासना. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम बाकी के आसन लेंगे. थैंक यू.